This chicken recipe is officially on my top 5 things that have come off of my Traeger pellet grill. Stay tuned, because right now I'm just going to show you how easy it is to make some delicious prosciutto wrapped chicken. I typically gravitate to chicken thighs or drums or legs, but breasts were on sale, so why not? All I did was season my chicken breasts with some rotisserie type barbecue seasoning and made sure that I rubbed it all over. Very gently, 2 pieces of prosciutto around each chicken breast. It's really thin, so you don't want to stretch it out too much and rip it, but it worked out really well this way to just wrap it up, and you don't really need to be too particular. A little bit can stick out as well. When it comes to temperature and time, what I did is I preheated my Traeger to 225 degrees, and I put my thermometer into one of the chicken breasts as close to the center as I could, because it's not about figuring out how many hours to leave it on, but making sure that your internal temperature is just right for juicy, delicious chicken. So I waited till about 155 internal temperature, then gave it a little barbecue glaze and watched until it came up to just over 160, because I needed to let it rest for another few minutes after that, let all those juices get through there and make sure it's safe to eat at 165. Delicious.